Welcome to the second project using Init-N. In this model, we're going to be building an AI business coach, business advisor that is going to review your pitch deck and give you suggestions to improve it and ways to get funding. Now, in this particular model, you're going to learn how to read files, convert those files from binary to JSON, and then let the AI agent convert from JSON, thinks about how to improve the pitch deck, and then sends an email on ways to improve the pitch deck. So this is how we're going to do this. And to make it interesting, after building this, you can attempt to add extra features. For example, since you know how to use an API in the previous model, you can find funding sources and add to the agent so the agent can tell the user exactly where to find funds and how to apply for funds. But in Essence, we're going to be building this simple tool, not really simple, but again, like I mentioned, how the agent or automation is entirely going to perform is based off of the prompt. The prompt has to be good. A good agent means a good prompt, and of course, good tools is going to use to work. So let's see what we're going to build in action. So I'm going to execute this workflow. And it's requesting for startup pitch deck. Upload your startup pitch deck, and I'll send you an email after reviewing it with suggestions to improve and how to get funding. So I'm going to find a random pitch deck. Okay, intended pitch deck is here. And I'm going to send this to a different email. So you can put the email you want to receive this. Okay, and I'll click submit. All right, done. And as always, it is processing. Once it's done, it will send the email. All right, that's done. Let's go and see what email we received. All right, so it says, "Hello Trust, thank you for sharing your pitch deck. Below is my detailed feedback, problem solution, the strengths, the weakness, market opportunity, traction." It gives all feedback is every traction, go to market team, financial is missing, suggestions are this. Okay, that's fine. The risk is missing, roadmap suggestions, targeting VC such as this, additional business tip, and it's done. It says startup advisor. Fantastic, right? So you can tweak the prompts and tell it what to do. For example, as mentioned, you can easily put links of where the user can actually get funding. So it's going to review every single business, no matter the business type, and even do a competitive analysis project with this. So the possibilities are endless for those small businesses who want to start a business. Can easily create a business plan using this deck, right? So just think about different ways you can make use of what you're going to be building at the end of this model. As always, we're going to be imputing the JSON file of the complete project in the lesson note, but as always said, try to build on your own following the guide and then compare it with the JSON file, and that will help you learn faster. All right, that out of the way, let us get started to build.